Tips for repair shops. I remember the first time that my car needed repair work done. I remember not knowing where I should go, if I would be overcharged, or if going to the shop would make things worse. I wish I knew what I know now about auto shops. The first tip that every driver needs to know when they are selecting a shop is to identify what problems they are currently experiencing. It is very important to write every issue down before you go to a service shop. The next tip would be to call the service provider that you want to take your vehicle to. The reason for this is to determine the level of friendliness you will receive if you choose to do business with them. No one wants to pay someone for a service if you make them feel bad. This could also lead to basic information not being communicated effectively, thus increasing original time and/or cost of the repair. The third tip that every driver should be cautious of is whether the shop you are taking your vehicle to is a mom and pop shop or the dealership service shop. The reason this is good to know is typically dealership shops usually require employees to be certified in a specialty program. Mom and pop shops may not. The next tip that every driver should know is that if you choose a dealership versus an independent maintenance shop, the dealership may be more expensive than the independent maintenance shop. If you are someone that is looking to make sure you receive the best service without giving up an arm, then the best thing to do is look for an independent service shop that is certified in some kind of guaranteed or quality service. One certification that an independent service center may have is a Motorist Assurance Program or MAP certification. The MAP certification guarantees in writing that the affiliated service shop will and does use a Uniform Inspection and Communication Standards form. This form is used to offer recommendations for services such as if the part needs to be replaced or not. The form also tells customer service representatives what services just suggested in case you need to stay under a certain budget. With these simple 4 tips, any driver can be sure to have a better understanding in choosing a repair shop for the future car maintenance needs.